Everybody loves a Porsche 911 and especially this one. Let's now do a launch control of this car. So hello people, this is Moscarblog and today I have a very special car with me. This is a Techart Turbo, which has a new body kit designed by Techart, new wheels, a new interior, a stage 1 tune to it with 710 horsepower and 900 Newton meters of torque. We have a Techart exhaust here, which makes it really loud and really special. Carbon spoiler. So the wing goes up and down if you put it in Sport Plus. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. So you have even more aerodynamics, and look at it. Wow, it's seriously my favorite car, I think. Techart emblems here, the Techart fin here, the blue linings on the wheels, which are also here on the back. So we have equipped here a Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 with 325 on the back. And at the front it's a 265, so it can steer better. All the big tire is at the back, and at the front it's a small tire, so it steers better and it handles better. And at the front we have a 10 piston carbon ceramic brake, which is stock at the Porsche 911. Techart also offers a second stage tune for this with 800 horsepower and bigger turbos, and they also offer a GT Street R version of this car with an even crazier body kit. The reason why I did this voiceover was because in the video somehow the wind noise took over, and now let's jump onto the inside. So people, you're currently joining me in the inside of this beautiful 992 Turbo Techart Turbo with 710 horsepower, and let's get to drive this car. Blue stitching, blue 12 o'clock mark, I mean Techart emblem, these beautiful GT seats, carbon buckets by Porsche. And let's stop talking and get to driving. So let's start it here at the left, Porsche typical, and it sounds really amazing, so let's go. Tell you about the suspension. It's absolutely comfortable, it's pretty okay to drive, and the car, you feel that it's turbocharged, but it's really amazing and it sounds abnormal. Listen to these pops. Wow, it's crazy. Let's give it some throttle here. Wow, it sounds amazing. Did you hear the turbo? So people, let's now do a launch control of this car. Oh my god! Oh my god, I never felt such a pull. Even the Taycan does not pull like this. This is amazing. My camera even moved from the pull. And in the normal mode it's really quiet, you can drive it daily. Listen to it, you absolutely hear nothing, and it's completely comfortable in shifting and everything. So people, I'm currently driving on the Autobahn so we can pull with this car, because the normal B roads are not the home of this car. This car is way too quick for it. So people, let's now give it full throttle. Absolutely loud, 240. Wow, that 100, 200 in this car is like 5 seconds, 6 seconds, you don't feel it. It's instant. 240. Completely comfortable too on the Autobahn. You can drive it like for long journeys. I wouldn't have a problem with it. The GT3 was way worse than this. It's absolutely agile. It's so loud. So let's give it full throttle here. Oh. The thing about the 911 Turbo S is that it's absolutely instant and it's so safe to drive these speeds. Like in a Ferrari, I would have the back dancing, AMG GTR, everybody would you would lose traction, but here it's completely fine and absolutely amazing to drive. Let's do a little sound check here. Let me see if we can get some sound. It's okay, but it's better when you're driving. So people, I think I'll end this review now of this beautiful 911 Turbo S by Techart, the turbo version by Techart. It's absolutely amazing. I would go ahead and buy it if I had the money, and it's the Autobahn killer, and it's agile and it's comfortable too. It looks racy. You are always gonna be the fastest and coolest one with this car. So as always, thank you for watching and goodbye.